They'll climb the top of the tree, and then they'll basically hop all the way down as they feed, or across to other trees. And from an ecological point of view, they fill the space that a squirrel might have. And a lot of our birds have sort of fitted into space where mammals would have, northern hemisphere mammals.
So where's the other one?
Well, that's a good question.
Maybe this is the divorced one.
Oh yeah, but it's not crying out, is it?
I think
Maybe that's a husband.
That hasn't yet got the territorial mate.
It's a fairly long tail. It has a fairly long tail.
Yes.
Oh, it's up in the open now.